In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a circle text box here in Canva. Now, this is actually really easy to do. To bring up the circle text box, we can simply click C on the keyboard for the quick shortcut, or we can simply come over to Elements, come to Shapes, click on See All, and then we can click on the circle just here. Now, this automatically becomes a circle text box because if we double click on here, we can then enter our text, just like so. We can also change to the font that we want to use. We can increase this font size as well to the size that we want, just like that. And we can also customize the colors of this. So if we want a different color rather than blue, we can simply click onto the color just here and then choose any color that we want. We can also add a border to this as well by coming to the border style just here. We can choose a style that we want. Let's go with the solid color. We can increase this as well, and we can also change the color by clicking on border color. So let's go with this blue. Now, if we want to make this larger, we can grab the corner, pull out and make larger as well. Then we can increase that font size again, just like this. This has started to go a little bit oval, so what we can do is click on the side and slightly pull that out, just like that. Now we can even make this box, this text box, transparent as well. So if we click back onto the color just here, the pink, then choose the no color option just here, we're going to have a transparent circle text box. But nonetheless, that's just how simple it is to create a circle text box here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.